Welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia James and this is my 1-year loc update video. I'm going to give you an update about my locks. I'm going to show you my hair, side views, back views. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stay tuned. This is going to be a quick video, I hope. I'm going to do some updated follow-up videos so that I can give you a little bit more detail. But I just wanted to go ahead and get this video up because I owe it and it is delayed. I turned 1 year, it's the end of July. I think it's the 23rd, 24th, or 25th. I've been forgetting lately because I'm just, it's a part of life now, I feel like it went by so fast. So a lot has changed with my locks, the appearance, what I've been doing with it. I have combined so many locks. I don't know how many I have left. I started combining them myself throughout the journey. I started with over 500. The good thing is that I was not interlocking my hair. I've never interlocked, only a couple that I did to do test tries because everyone was convincing me it was a thing to do. And I was pretty sure that was not what I wanted to do when I tried it. So I've been retwisting my Microlocs the entire journey, and it's been really easy, 4 to 5 hours to finish it every month. I was retwisting every 4 to 5 weeks. After I turned 1 year, I told myself, honey, it's not for you, I am all about convenience. I always tell people I will pay for convenience. I don't care. I will pay for it. And I am not going to be maintaining my own hair anymore. I found me a loctician here in Houston. I went to the Loc Den. Loc Den has 2 locations. I went to their newer location, which is in Missouri City. So I had Latasha combine a lot of my locks. I don't know how many I have now, but I know it's around the 200 area. To me, they still look pretty small. I don't know if I can consider them micro locks or if there's any rules about that. They're definitely smaller locks, but my hair is so fine, so they still look pretty small to me. I'll show them to you. You guys can let me know what you think. Overall, this has still been one of the best decisions that I've made regarding my hair. It's hair. I just need to look good. I need it to be simple. I need to be able to switch it up. Classy, work, going out. Like, I don't do that often, but I just need to be able to do it all, but I need it to be easy and enjoyable. So I said once I hit 1 year, I was going to get somebody else to do it. So I'm glad that I found Latasha. I'm going to go ahead. I want to show my hair, and then I'll have some updated videos for you.